Okay, so let's get started. I've already put some of this together so I can show you how it goes together and what you're supposed to be doing. Um, so the center front, you can see I put mesh behind the lace. It's pretty holey mesh or holey lace, and I think the mesh just kind of gives a little more stability. So I take the center piece, and if it's 2 layers, I will zigzag the 2 layers together just along the edge. That keeps it from shifting around and makes it a little easier to sew. And then when I serge them, I'm cutting off enough that it would just get rid of the zigzags. So I put them right sides together with the mesh centerpiece in between and serge down here. And I do the same thing with the other side. Try to make sure you get these more or less lined up. There's a little bit of wiggle room because you're going to put elastic there, but definitely want to try to get it as close as possible. And then I zigzag these 2 layers together, the lining and the outside layer, because it makes it easier to sew the next piece on. It also keeps everything all nice and even. So then when you're on the inside, this is what it looks like, and it's nice and tidy. So I'm going to do the next step, and then I'll show you what's next. The next step will be, we're going to put this piece on, and again, the same thing. I'm going to sandwich this in between these 2 layers. Obviously, you're going to make it line up. And sew that together. And then when we fold it open, there'll be a nice seam there. And I'll be back.